Hi guys, here 10 minus 2 is 8 in bracket 3 plus 2 to the power of 2 divided by 5 plus 6. Here 8 times the bracket here is 3 plus 2 is 5 to the power of 2 divided by 5 plus 6. Here 8 times 5 square is 25 divided by 5 plus 6. Here 8 times 25 is 200 divided by 5 plus 6. Here 200 divided by 5 is 40 plus 6 equal to 46 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 46 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 10 minus 2, the bracket here is 3 plus 2 is 5 to the power of 2 divided by 5 plus 6. Here the next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 5 to the power of 2. So we have to do this 5 to the power of 2 before any other operation. So 10 minus 2 times 5 to the power of 2 is 25 divided by 5 plus 6. Next to is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication and division in this problem. We have to do this multiplication and division before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 2 times this 25. Here 2 times 25 is 10 minus 2 times 25 is 50 divided by 5 plus 6. Here we have division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division before this addition and subtraction. So 10 minus 50 divided by 5 is 10 plus 6. Here we have subtraction and addition. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this one. 10 minus 10 is 0 plus 6 equal to 6 is the correct answer.